Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add photos to your Instagram story. Whether you're looking to share a special moment, promote your brand, or just have some fun with friends, Instagram stories are a fantastic way to connect with your audience. Let's get started. First things first, open the Instagram app on your Android device. You should see your home screen filled with posts from the accounts you follow. Next, swipe right from your home screen, or tap the camera icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to the story camera, where the magic begins. Now it's time to either take a fresh photo or share one from your existing collection. To take a photo, simply press the capture button. But if you'd like to use a photo from your gallery, tap the gallery icon situated at the bottom left of the screen. This will open your camera roll, giving you access to all your saved images. Once you've got the photo you want to share, select it from your gallery. You'll see that Instagram makes it easy to pick the perfect shot with just a few taps. Before you share, you might want to add a little flair. Edit the photo if needed by adding text, stickers, or even filters to enhance your image. This is your chance to get creative. Make your story stand out. Finally, when everything looks just right, tap your story, located in the bottom left corner, to share your photo with your followers. Voila! Your image is now live on your Instagram story for everyone to see, and you'll be engaging with your audience in no time. There you have it. Adding photos to your Instagram story is not only simple but also allows you to express yourself creatively. Happy sharing!